You're spending hours every week on social media. You're posting like crazy. लेकिन एंड में कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. It feels like you're shouting into a black hole. बिल्कुल lost in all that digital noise. You see other brands just blowing up, and you're sitting there thinking, यार मैं कहाँ गलत कर रही हूँ? It's so frustrating. ऐसा लगता है कि सारा time, energy और of course पैसा सब बेकार जा रहा है. The truth is, most businesses are just guessing. They are just throwing stuff out there, hoping anything will work, but without a real plan. And that approach is just set up to fail. But what if I tell you there's one single strategy that can turn all your frustration into a predictable gold mine of traffic and sales? Let me tell you about a small fashion brand, Urban Dhaga. They were exactly in this position, bilkul stuck. But then they found a proven framework that took all the guesswork out of their social media and gave them a clear step-by-step path to follow. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about the exact 6-step framework they used to build a powerful revenue generating social media machine. And to make it even easier for you, I have created a free in-depth social media strategy template you can download. The link in the description. Section 1, the foundation, goals that actually drive business growth. Alright, let's get into step 1, the absolute foundation of your strategy, setting goals that are actually tied to your business growth. ये वो जगह है जहाँ सबसे ज्यादा लोग गलती करते हैं. They chase those vanity metrics like followers and likes because they feel good. But let's be real, वो bills नहीं pay करते. The social media can't just be this thing on the side. It has to serve a bigger purpose. The key here is to go beyond these vague wishes like I want more engagement and set what we can call smart goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Urban Dhaga started by asking themselves, what do we really want social media to do for our business? Are we trying to build brand awareness, get more qualified leads, drive sales directly, या फिर अपने existing customers के साथ loyalty build करनी है? Each of these goals need a totally different approach. For example, their main business goal was to increase their online sales by 20% this quarter. The right social media goal wasn't just to get more followers. A much stronger goal was to drive 5,000 qualified clicks to their website from their social media every month, aiming for a 3% conversion rate. Did you feel the difference? अब एक real चीज measure की जा सकती है. They could track their click-through rates, their conversion rates, and they knew exactly what success looked like. Without that clarity, you're flying blind. आप अपना ROI मेजर नहीं कर सकते और इतना टाइम और रिसोर्स क्यों लगा रहे हो? ये जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकते. So before you do anything else, define what winning looks like for your business. Section 2, know your battlefield, deep audience and competitor analysis. Okay, so now that you have your goals, let's talk about step 2, really truly understanding your audience and who you are up against. It's just impossible to create content that connects if you don't know कि आप बात किससे कर रहे हो. And I mean going deeper than just their age and where they live. You need to understand their psychographics. What are their interests, their problem, उनके सपने क्या हैं, their pain points, and why are they even on social media? What problems are they trying to solve that you can help with? उन्हें कैसा content पसंद है? Are they looking for quick fun videos or do they want you to break down a topic in depth? Urban Dhaga used tools like Meta Audience Insights to dig deep. फिर उन्होंने create किए audience personas, fictional characters that represent their perfect customer. They gave her a name, Ria, wrote about her job, her whole story. क्योंकि when you do this, you turn all that abstract data into a real person. और उस इंसान के लिए content बनाना बहुत आसान हो जाता है. Next, you have to look at your competitors. Urban Dhaga checked out the top 3 to 5 brands in their space. What platforms are they using? What kind of content are they putting? What's really working for them? Which posts are getting all the engagement, the comments, the shares, but even more important, what isn't working? कहाँ पर gaps हैं? They saw that their competitors were making this super polished corporate style content. That was a huge opportunity for them to stand out by being more authentic. शायद behind the scenes दिखाकर, this isn't about copying them. It's about learning from what they are doing right and wrong. So you can find your own unique voice, अपना एक अलग अंदाज and a way to win. So here's the end to this part of the video. Subscribe Content Asia so you do not miss on to the rest of the story on how Urban Dhaga used social media for their win.